In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up deal stages in Freshsales. Deal stages represent the key phases of your sales process, starting from the first interaction with a prospect and continuing all the way to a closed deal, whether it's won or lost. Setting these up properly is important because it helps your team track opportunities more clearly, improve revenue forecasting, and generate more accurate reports. To begin, log into your Freshsales account and head over to the Admin Settings area. This is where you manage the core configuration for your CRM, including how your sales pipeline is structured. Once you're in Settings, go to Deals and Pipelines. From there, click on Pipelines to view the list of available sales pipelines in your account. If your business uses more than one pipeline for different products, teams, or sales motions, this is where you choose the one you want to update. Next, select the pipeline where you want to set up or adjust stages, then click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil on the right side of the pipeline name. This opens the Pipeline Editor, where you can customize the flow of your deals. Now you can add a deal stage. A deal stage is a named step in your process that shows where an opportunity currently stands. This makes it much easier for your team to understand progress at a glance. For this example, add a stage called Need Analysis. This stage is typically used when you've identified a prospect's requirements and are actively evaluating their needs. After entering the stage name, set its probability to 30%. This probability reflects how likely a deal in this stage is to close, and it plays an important role in forecasting. Next, add another stage called Proposal Sent. This stage is useful for deals where you've already shared a formal offer or solution with the prospect. Then set this stage to 40% probability. As a general tip, try to assign probabilities that realistically match your actual conversion patterns. If you need to make changes later, you can also edit existing stages. Just select the stage you want to update, type in the new name, and adjust its probability as needed. You can also reorder stages by dragging them up or down. This is helpful if you want your pipeline to better reflect the natural sequence of your sales process. And if there's a stage you no longer need, simply click the Delete button beside it. When everything looks good, click Save. As a best practice, keep your pipeline simple, use stage names that match your real sales process, avoid overlapping stages, and review your setup regularly as your workflow evolves. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.